In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Freshsales. By the end, your calendar events can stay aligned across both platforms, so you spend less time copying details and more time meeting with customers. First, make sure you have access to a Freshsales or Freshsales Suite account and that your Google Calendar is active in the Google account you want to use. It also helps to be signed into the correct Google account in your browser before you begin, and to confirm you're allowed to connect integrations if your organization uses admin controls. Start by logging in to Freshsales or Freshsales Suite in your browser. The interface may look slightly different depending on your plan or UI version, but the process is the same. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might show your initials or an avatar. From your profile menu, open your calendar-related settings. You're looking for an option labeled Calendar and Conferencing, or a similarly named calendar settings section. This area is designed to manage personal calendar connections and meeting tools. If the label varies in your account, scan for calendar or conferencing keywords. It's the same place where you'd typically connect meeting providers or adjust time-related preferences. Inside those settings, find Google Calendar and select Connect. When you click Connect, a Google authorization window should open. Choose the Google account you want to sync and review the permissions. Granting the requested access allows Freshsales to sync events both ways and keep details like titles, times, attendees, and updates aligned. If you see a pop-up blocker warning, allow the pop-up and try again. If an administrator manages permissions in your workspace, you may need their approval to complete the connection. After you confirm, the initial sync may take a few moments. Once connected, new events you create in Freshsales can appear on your Google Calendar, and changes you make in Google can reflect back in Freshsales, depending on your plan and chosen sync options. To keep everything accurate, make sure your time zone in Freshsales matches your Google Calendar time zone. If you're prompted to choose a default calendar in Google, select the one where you want Freshsales events to land. To avoid clutter or duplicates, connect only the Google account you actively use with customers. That's it. You've connected Google Calendar with Freshsales, so your schedule can stay in sync without manual updates. If you don't see the Connect option, refresh the page, try a different browser, or check with your admin. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.